welcome to LiveGood for all of our members, our new members who have joined this week and affiliates. Welcome aboard. You really could not have picked a better time to get involved in anything than right now with LiveGood. We put in almost 25,000 new members this week alone, over 5,000 just today, over 200,000 members in our first 4 months since we launched this new system, which is super, super exciting. But at the same time, guys, we are just getting started. This is the very beginning, and you are one of the first people on the planet to learn about what we're doing and have the opportunity to position yourself in front of it and really align yourself with a company that is revolutionizing the network marketing industry, the way products are sold, and just everything that we're doing as you're about to learn. So first of all, I'm going to just start with a real quick story for you guys, and then I'm going to turn it over to my good friend, our Director of Network Marketing, Nader Kazan, to talk more about the timing and positioning that we're in right now and how perfect it really is. So first of all, Nader and I go back a long ways. We've both been in this industry for over 20 years, started in the field as distributors. We're very fortunate, learned a lot of stuff, struggled at the beginning, just like everybody does, but figured it out. And, we're very fortunate to have had a lot of success in the network marketing industry. Again, starting as distributors, moving on to the consulting side and business ownership, run some of the most successful companies in the industry, which has been just awesome. Most importantly, because of the amazing people we've had the opportunity to meet and become friends with. So it's been an amazing ride. But at the same time, over the last 5-10 years, what I've realized is that this dream that we talk about in the network marketing industry, where you can come in, work hard for 3 to 5 years and build up that big residual income that's going to continue coming in for years and years to come, it just wasn't happening for most people. In fact, it was happening for less than 1% of the people who were getting into this industry. And, so what we were seeing is that people weren't able to duplicate. They weren't able to build a team. They weren't able to have success in this industry. And it just, and at the same time, just so you guys understand how the industry works, all these product companies, supplements, nutritional products, skincare products, most of these products cost anywhere from $8 to $12 to make, some more, some less, depending on the ingredients, the size, all that stuff. But companies have to sell them for $60, $80, even over $100 to be able to pay out a lot of commissions in a compensation plan to make it look attractive to a lot of people. The challenge is that most people aren't making money, but they're having to overpay for products that they may or may not need, that oftentimes end up in their cabinet or in their garage, just so they can stay qualified in a company, hoping that one day they might be successful. And that didn't sit well with me, because there's a lot of great products that have come out of the network marketing industry. The challenge is when you're selling them for 60 or $80, there's a very limited amount of people who will continue to buy them for the long term. And that's why if you look at the statistics in the network marketing industry, the average person stays in a company for under 3 months. It's 2.8 months before they move on to something else or give up or just decide that this isn't for them. And, that's a challenge. And so that wasn't, I didn't feel good about promoting an opportunity and selling overpriced products. And so 4 years ago, I completely walked away from this industry that's really given me so much. I had a very successful company at the time. I sold it, merged it into another company, made sure all my people were taken care of. That was my most important thing. And I was done. I was completely done, and I was happy with that decision. But at the same time, Nader and I have been talking about this concept of LiveGood and of being able to offer people the highest quality products on the planet for prices that they can actually afford, so that they can get the benefit from the product and continue to use it every month, every year, as long as they want it and as long as they're getting benefit from it, because the price tag is not going to deter them from making that purchase. And that's exactly what we've created with LiveGood. But at the same time, this was 4 years ago. I wasn't ready to come back in to the industry. I was done. And, Nader continued to follow up with me. We're good friends outside of the industry as well, so we talk all the time. And, he just kept nudging, kept pushing. And all I saw was this industry kind of going the wrong direction even more. And so about a year ago, we made the decision that, it's time to do this. It's time to fix an industry that needs to be fixed. It's been broken for so long. And so that's exactly what we've done with LiveGood, and we're super excited. And I think the numbers really speak volumes for the need that we've created in the industry, and the recognition that this is something that people have been craving. This is something that people have been wanting, and something that people can do. And we'll talk more about the duplication, how easy this is to build here in a second. But so I just wanted to share that with you, because that's, really how LiveGood was created. We want to do the right thing. We want to build something for the long term that everyone can have success with, both physically and financially. Physically meaning with our life-changing products. And guys, when you understand this business model and what we could put into this as far as our product line and everything that we can add to it, and we'll talk about that here in a second, it's hard to not see what we're doing, or as I say, to unsee what you're about to